Hello, I hope you guys are all doing great. This is the nail art design we're going to be working on today. We're going to be working on two patterns. I'm going to be using my thumbnail to show you exactly how I achieved this nail art design. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be applying this Jessie's Girl nail polish called Firefly over my entire nail. The next step is to apply a side swipe in the color of your choice. The one I'm going to be using is this purple one by OPI, and it's called Can You Dig It? Now to complete the background, I'm going to be adding this glitter polish by Wet n Wild. It's in purple, very pretty, and it's called Spectacle. I'm going to be using my thumb to show you the two designs for this nail art design. The first one we're going to be working on is the one that goes on the ring finger, the middle finger, and the pinky finger. This is the size brush I'm using to create the swirls and the flowers. So for creating this design, I'm going to start a little bit above the purple line, and I'm going to be making a swirly letter S. So I'm just going to come all around, and there's my letter S. I'm going to come down to this area and I'm going to start another letter S connecting to this first one and bringing it all around. So all this design consists of is just connecting our S's one after another. You can see another S there. I'm going to go a little bit lower and I'm just going to do the S until I can no longer see the little corner. I'm going to move up and I'm going to be doing the same exact thing. I'm going to go a little bit higher and I'm going to start placing dots. Going sideways, just following the same pattern of the S's we made. And I'm also doing the dots in gold. Now I'm going to move a little bit higher and I'm going to be creating another S. I'm going to start in the middle. And there's one of my S's, the one that goes on the top. I'm going to do the same exact thing. Run another S coming this way, close it off until I can't fit it anymore. So for this side, we're also going to start it this way and then close it off like that. And to finish off this design, I'm just going to be placing 1, 2 dots, or as many as you can fit. So this is the design that I used for these nails. So that's it. You apply your top coat and you'll be done. Once I was done editing the video, I realized that I forgot to show you guys that at the end in the trim, I also added gold dots. Now we're going to move over to creating this design. I'm going to start by placing my first petal coming outwards, and I want it to be pointy. They're all going to be pointy petals. I'm going to move over to this side, the top one. I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to move over to the other side. And just continue that pattern of 5 petals. And I'm keeping the center empty because I want to place a gold dot in the very center. So I'm going to move over to this side. I'm going to place that last petal. And there we have our flower. I'm going to go to the middle and I'm going to place a dot. Next, I'm going to be moving over to this side. I'm just going to do and drag it out. You can end it a little bit pointy as well. I'm going to come to this side and a little bit smaller than the petals, and then one in the center. Now I'm going to go over to this section, and we have my space here is a little more limited. If your nails are longer, then that won't be a problem. But another thing you can opt for doing is also dots instead of the little leaf-like shapes. So I'm making these a little bit smaller and just doing the same shape I did here, just in a smaller scale. Now I'm going to move over to the trim and I'm going to start doing the same thing we did to the other one, except a little bit smaller. And I'm going to move over and I'm just going to continue doing that all the way around till we get to the top. I'm gonna go in and I'm just going to be placing a little dot in between the little S's. Just a tiny little dot. All the way to the end. The last step is to apply your top coat over your entire design, sealing it in. This will strengthen your nails. It's really important to always apply a top coat. And that's it for this nail art design. We worked on two of them. We worked on the one for the 3 fingers and then the one that goes in the thumb and in the ring finger. I hope you guys liked this design and try it out using your favorite colors. Be safe and I'll see you next time. Bye!